How to change the subtitle language for any video that you're watching on the YouTube. So hey guys, if you're also wondering how you can change the subtitle language of any YouTube video, then this video is for you. So simply follow these simple steps. So here you can see that in this particular video, the subtitles are currently set in Hindi. So if I play this particular video, you can see that the subtitles are appearing in Hindi. So let us try to change it to a different language. So the thing you need to do is click onto the settings gear icon on the video playback. Once you will click here, you can see this option of subtitles. So simply click onto the CC or the subtitles, and then it will give you all the languages which are supported. These could be auto-generated or have been added by the publisher as well. So for example, let us choose it to English, and here you can see that the subtitles has been changed to English, and now it will be played in the English language. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.